How to make zipper pouch in simple and easy way. Materials and equipments needed. 2 cuts of fabric that measures 12 by 7 inches. 1 cut of fusible fleece that measures 12 by 7 inches. Fabric scissor or cutter, fabric clips or pins, iron, ruler, thread that matches the fabric, sewing machine, fabric marker. Zipper foot, shear scissor, and at least 9 inches zipper. These are the steps. Fuse the fusible fleece with the fabric. Lay the fusible fleece rough side up, then lay the fabric on top of the fusible fleece. Right side up. Iron to fuse together. Check if it's fused together by checking the edge. Lay the other fabric right side up, on top of the fusible fleece. Align the 3 together. Iron to make it flat and free of wrinkles. You can secure the 3 together with all fabric clips or pins. Next step will be installing the zipper. Lay the zipper at the edge of the fabric right side down with the fabric. Secure together with all fabric clips or pins. Change the universal foot with a zipper foot. Place your needle near the zipper and sew the zipper with the fabric. Hand press the fabric on the side of the zipper. Top stitch the fabric on the side of the zipper. Fold the fabric near the zipper, so it can cover the side of the zipper. Put your needle near the zipper. If you have a tag brand, this is the time to install. Fold your fabric into half, then mark the center with a fabric marker. After you mark the fabric, you can then lay your tag brand on the middle. Separate the fabrics, then sew the fabric tag with the fabric. Change your zipper foot with the universal foot if you haven't done it yet. Make sure to use smaller stitches to secure the brand tag better. Bring the other end of the fabric towards the edge of the zipper. Secure the two together with all fabric clips or pins. Sew the fabric and the zipper. Put your needle near the zipper to cover the fabric part of the zipper. Pull the zipper all the way open. Fold the fabric onto the side of the zipper and hand press. Top stitch the fabric with the zipper. Make sure to put your needle near the zipper to cover the fabric part of the zipper. Sew the sides of the fabric. Double stitch the part where the zipper is. This will make it sturdy. Sew 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch from the edge. Cut the raw edges with a shear scissor. Make sure not to cut the thread. Turn the right side of the pouch out. Push the corners and hand press to make it flat. Check how I install the zipper pull. This zipper pouch can fit a hard drive. It can also be a coin purse and makeup bag. Hope you learned from my video. Press subscribe to support my channel. Press the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you.